Research on Tuesdays. I want to cover logical coherence of your case study research design, still focusing on research methodology logic. In particular, how to ensure logical coherence of your work, and especially to talk about internal and external validity issues. When it comes to case study research design, we are concerned about trustworthiness of your data, authenticity of the data, and reliability of your measuring instruments. So let's zone into how you define, or rather develop, theory using case study research design. The building blocks of theory are variables, constructs, hypotheses, concepts, and all of those are the different elements of theory. So if you are developing theory, you are either modifying the definitions of a variable, or you are trying to identify a set of items that can be used to measure that particular variable. For instance, you could be looking, as one of my doctoral students is doing, at a concept of engaged scholarship and trying to come up with measurements, how to actually measure and assess engaged scholarship. So you use case study design. And that case study design, because you are looking maybe at a number of constructs, one or two or more, for instance, volunteerism, value creation as a concept, or rather a construct of engaged scholarship. You want to define it, you want to be able to measure it, and to get empirical reality around this construct, you will look at a number of cases. And these cases could be, for instance, departments within a university, or it could be departments within a number of universities. It could also include insights from members of the communities where engaged scholarship is taking place. And engaged scholarship, remember, can take place in local communities, it can take place in the private sector, in the public sector. So you would have to define your different data sources and the cases that you have selected. And we did talk about case selection. So that process of sourcing data from multiple sources is replication of data to identify or refine the definition of concepts. You do that in case 1, case 2, case 3, and then you look at the information that you have collected, and we come up with what we call the conceptual domain of that variable. And you're able to shape theory then by redefining, modifying, adding more information related to that particular variable using your case study design. To summarize, case study design can be used to refine concepts, to refine constructs based on the intimate reality and the dynamics in your particular case. All the best. We'll chat more next week. Goodbye.